Samsung just broke its own rule book. And if the leaks are right, the Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just getting faster or thinner, it's becoming something we've never seen before. We're talking a radical redesign, surprising camera upgrades, and a sneaky rebranding move that could completely flip Samsung's flagship strategy. And yes, it might even outshine the iPhone in more ways than one. Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you're into tech that makes your jaw drop, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates just like this, and share this video with someone who thinks Samsung peaked with the S23 Ultra. Alright, let's jump into what might be Samsung's boldest Galaxy S launch ever. So first up, the camera system. Everyone expected minor tweaks. But nope, Samsung is going big. Leaks now confirm that while the 200MP main sensor is technically the same as last year's HP2, it's getting a larger aperture. That's huge, because a wider aperture means more light, especially in night mode and darker scenes. The same applies to the 50MP 5x zoom lens, which is finally getting its long overdue aperture upgrade. And for the first time in years, the 3x zoom lens is getting updated too. Translation: this could be Samsung's most meaningful triple lens camera upgrade in half a decade. Now here's where things get even more interesting. The S26 Ultra might be insanely thin, like 7.8 mm thin. That's thinner than most budget phones. And this one still packs a full S Pen inside. The design isn't just thin, it's getting a visual refresh. The elegance of the S25 Ultra mixed with the futuristic vibes of the Z Fold 7. Leaked dimensions show it'll be a bit taller and wider, but also lighter in hand. However, that ultra-thin frame could mean one thing: an even bigger camera bump, like desk wobble level big. Still, if the trade-off is better low-light photos and a sleek form factor, worth it. Let's talk display. Samsung's using a 6.9-inch panel, but what's cool is the tech behind it. 3rd-gen anti-reflective glass and new polarizer tech are coming in hot. You may not realize it, but this is one of Samsung's best-kept secrets. The difference it makes in bright sunlight is like going from cheap sunglasses to high-end polarized lenses. If you've used an S24 Ultra, imagine that, but noticeably clearer and sharper in outdoor lighting. Now under the hood, Samsung's not holding back. The Snapdragon 8 Fun for Galaxy is coming with a 4.74 GHz CPU. Let that sink in. We're almost at 5 GHz on a smartphone. Pair that with a 1.3 GHz GPU and next-gen RAM designed for AI. This phone is a powerhouse. And if you're wondering about Exynos, yes, Samsung is working on the 2600 chip, but that's expected to power the non-Ultra models only. On the software front, the S26 Ultra will debut with One UI 8.5. It's rare for Samsung to do a 0.5 version unless they've got something meaningful, and right now, the biggest buzz on device AI video generation. Yep, creating short videos with AI straight from your phone. And most Galaxy AI tools will stay free, unlike Google's Gemini Ultra, which might charge a subscription. That alone could be a big win for Samsung users. But now, here comes the twist. There's a new name in the Galaxy lineup, the Galaxy S26 Pro. At first, this looked like just a rumor, but now it's confirmed in the GSM device listings. The model number we thought belonged to the base S26. It's actually the Pro, which raises a big question: is Samsung replacing the base model with something new or just slapping on a new name? Right now, the changes sound more cosmetic than game-changing. A slightly larger battery, maybe a bit more RAM, but not much else. So is this a clever marketing move to match Apple's naming system? Or is there more coming that we don't know yet? Here's the thing. Samsung's not the only one doing this. Chinese brands like Vivo and Xiaomi have been riding the branding wave for years. But if Samsung really wants to play that game, they'll need to deliver more than just a new label. People expect Pro to mean premium, better build, better cameras, better display, not just slightly better battery life. A recent poll showed that over 60% of buyers believe a Pro model needs real upgrades to justify the name. Only 10% said they didn't care because they'd buy the Ultra anyway. That means Samsung can't afford to play it safe here. If the Pro is just a rebranded base model with a bump in price, it might backfire. So why is this such a big deal? Because it hints at a deeper shift in Samsung's strategy. If the Pro replaces the base model and the Plus disappears, we could be looking at a whole new three-phone lineup. The Ultra at the top, the compact yet premium Pro in the middle, and the more experimental Edge variant sitting somewhere in between. This is Samsung rethinking its entire flagship philosophy, and it's about time. So to sum it up, thinner bodies, smarter cameras, brighter displays, raw AI power, and a brand new name that could change the whole S-series lineup going forward. The Galaxy S26 Ultra and the entire S26 family might be the most important Samsung phones in years. More leaks are on the way, and we're just getting started. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you like the idea of a Pro model replacing the base S series? And would you pay more for it if it actually delivered a premium experience? Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, share, and subscribe for more updates.